are a bit warm, I gotta say. Should just take my shoes off for a little while. Which I'm gonna do real quick. Why didn't I take my damn flip-flops with me? I don't fucking understand that. I'm wearing my damn black tennis shoes in the middle of freaking 55-degree weather. I don't understand that. Piss poor planning, Longwell. Oh my god, getting black socks to boot. What am I, German? Oh, so much better. Alright, Melrose Avenue, baby. West Hollywood. Ooh, look at that Audi R8. That is pretty nice, man. That's very cool. Well worth the trip to Beverly Hills. If I had $250,000, I would buy that Lamborghini Spider today. Hey, owned by Paramount Studios. That's awesome. Look at that. Paramount Studios, baby. We're gonna go back to some people watching here. Whoa. That's freaking sweet. That is so cool. I'm literally like right by the Paramount Studios. That's really, really neat. Oh, it is a freaking lot. At 2:30 in the afternoon on a Wednesday. Holy crapola. Holy crapola, Batman. Wow. Get a house payment for a Huracan. My Huracan will be twice as expensive as what my first house was. Well, my only house. Never actually had more than one. Yes, get over, people. All these people trying to get in the damn lane. What up? Did somebody get in a wreck? Did somebody stop? Did somebody stop for ice cream, mother? I don't know. It's just weird. Now I get into a car, I don't even know what runs it. Is it an engine? Is there batteries? I think there are batteries. Because the trunk seems like it was packing some heavy. Interesting. Ooh, there's a battery bay back there. That's kind of a tongue twister, a battery bay back there. Battery bay back there. It's a mile and a half to go to get to the next street. And I just don't know. I think I need to go again. I gotta have some forward movement, man. I get frustrated when I don't see movement, man. I just gotta go. I gotta go, man. Downtown Los Angeles. There we go. Jam a little bit. All the big buildings. All right, we are in the fast lane, moving at 40 miles an hour on the freeway. That's pretty exciting, huh? I'm having some fun. It's a little stressful fun, but it's fun nonetheless. But we are at 0 miles per hour on the I-10 freeway at 3:02 p.m. in the afternoon. This is gridlock. This is the definition of gridlock. If you looked up the word gridlock in the dictionary, you would find a picture of me in my car right now. Well, I gotta say, man, this trip has been spectacular. That's sad.
Move to the right in 1 mile.
Why? I was going along so well. And now you're gonna make me leave my lane. I'm so sad. I'm so sad I have to get over. I don't know what to do with myself. I think I'll cut in front of this car here. Something. I'm behind a smart car. How stupid is that? Right. That is awesome. We're here. Sweet. Sports car management.
This is an 05 gated shifter, 3,000 miles. Pretty much immaculate interior. Total Hawkeye car. Okay. What is this one going for?
This one is up for,
Let me guess. Okay, it's 3,000 miles, 129?
no, I think it's like 149.
Wow, okay. Yeah. So
Just because of the miles and
Yeah.
it's all like
139.9.
Okay.
We're right. We're both.
Weird. That's nice. It does have the glass engine cover. This car is freaking immaculate here. Murcielago. Ooh, it's a Spider. Nice. This is the 07. 06. If that's all right, if you don't mind. Thank you very much. Okay, thanks. Yeah, this is cool. They just kind of let me back here to take a look at these. That's very cool. Okay, quite a warehouse, dude. It's a beautiful car. It's a 06 Murcielago Spider. Not quite sure the mileage on it. Cool. Very cool. Here's the CNC warehouse of cars, and they just have tons and tons. Here's a Ferrari. This is that blue, Bonneville blue, I think it is. Got some pretty interesting seats. This is a 430. This is a Scud. This is like diamonds. That's awesome. So this is probably the supercharged V8. That's kind of cool. This warehouse is freaking amazing. This blue is awesome. Wow. Ooh, look at that blue too. Golly, man, this is just amazing. This McLaren. Not for sale. But it is a beautiful car, man.
CNC Motors here in Ontario. It's a good opportunity to see some more cars. I liked dealing with them. They were very down to earth. It was just fun. It was just a lot of fun. So
Now, turn left.
can't beat it, man. They even had a cool R8 in there they're selling for $79,000. So that was pretty cool. I've only seen older Lamborghinis, so they're obviously kind of in that market for these. Well, that's not to say they got some pretty nice cars in there, man. Their inventory, I must say, was pretty damn fetching. There's the San Gabriel Mountains. There it is. Caskin Cleaver. Yeah. Steakhouse. So, Brett was pretty excited when I told him that I was gonna buy a Lamborghini. He said, man, you just keep saving your money. He's like, don't be getting sidetracked. You keep saving your money to get this car. I'm like, okay, I'll do it. He goes, because in 5 years I want to go for a ride in it.
Please turn left in 500 feet.
It just goes to show you that if you have a dream, other people get excited and they support you in that dream. So, kind of cool.
Well, hello there. It's the end of my spring break. Flew back today, 20 minutes early, 11:20 p.m., 11:29, 2018.